To generate an e-invoice online in Tally Prime, start by ensuring you have the latest version of Tally Prime installed on your system. It is also essential to have a valid GSTIN and a digital signature certificate. First, activate the e-invoice feature in Tally Prime by going to the gateway of Tally. Then selecting the e-invoice option and enabling it. You will then need to configure the e-invoice settings by providing the required details such as your GSTIN, username, and password for the e-invoice portal. Next, create a sales invoice in Tally Prime as you normally would, including all the necessary details such as the date, party name, items, quantity, and tax rates. After saving the sales invoice, go to the e-invoice option in the gateway of Tally and select the sales invoice you just created. Tally Prime will then generate a JSON file which you can upload to the e-invoice portal to generate the IRN, or invoice reference number. Once the IRN is generated, you can download the e-invoice and save it for future reference. It is also important to note that Tally Prime allows you to generate e-invoices in bulk, making it a convenient option for businesses with a high volume of sales invoices. To do this, simply select the multiple sales invoices you want to generate e-invoices for, and Tally Prime will create a single JSON file that you can upload to the e-invoice portal. In conclusion, generating an e-invoice online in Tally Prime is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following these steps and ensuring you have the necessary details and configurations in place, you can quickly and easily generate e-invoices and stay compliant with GST regulations.